that sound boy, calling in the dance hall. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.
I'm so glad that I made you mine. Oh, keep that precious smile on your face. Yeah, we'll keep you warm and safe.
It's not the only bomb set speed.
Just you and I, we got the most
so
let's go to family and make things great. That's when how we met the
you know, to say the mic louder than the music. We are keep it low.
Something about her, oh, I just can't do without her. Never had a woman of such virtue. I give you my love, girl, I got no intentions to hurt you. Stay close to me, don't slip away. With that fervency break. Wherever I go, you with my love. Children of health and faith. Cause when I say I love you, that's what I mean. Give me some love and affection. You got my attention. You need no correction. May your poor blessings in your direction. You got my attention. What an impression.
Voice a little IK.
Negative thoughts and non-karate play with like a sickness. Now they use them off for eat this money install and most business. Helicopters are circle around the area.
Watch out now.
Unsung mystery, man that can't find victim. Message in the music is the only way to fix it. I say words, some power lift your hand up if you with it. Now go make them trick we can't go now repeat the history. I say what? What them I gonna do when I come home? Don't they know thy will always be done?
I'll take a time blender. How Rasta you inside yo? No!
Rasta Bumpy take over. Rasta Bumpy take over. Rasta Bumpy take over. Corners of the yes. I will be on the river to Bumpy. Criticize the man and then go to Bumpy. I will be on the river to Bumpy. Just listening you long understand. Yes. The man who opened the southern sea.
Yeah, man, big up to all the soul man inside the house. All early spender.
From the king of kings.
Now remember the bar is open, food is available as well.
Rasta Bumpy take over.
Big up to Carl Seafood for putting on this event.
Rasta Bumpy take over.
Yeah, man, each and every Friday, this is the place to be.
Yes, we keep it up on me like Ethiopia. The father step on it and it couldn't fire. Lightning, brimstone and thunder. You shouldn't diss my father. To a human to know is two different things. Seek the truth if you don't know the thing. What a controversy this little man cause. When he ride up on the white cars, them a talk about the man and them don't know about the man. Criticize the man and them don't know about the man. Talk about the man and them don't know about the man. Just listening you don't understand. Hey, the government was up on his shoulder. And he is called Wonderful Counselor. Yeah, he's the ever-living Father. The Prince of Peace.
Everybody will know me knows some means God bless you. So I go.
You see where we are going.
Now remember, this is the early vibes brought to you courtesy Mixmaster Wasi Entertainment sound. Big up to all the spender inside the place. You don't know, so later on it's going to be much, much wickeder. You understand? Right now we just set the place and I bless the place. All courtesy of the voice, all courtesy of the one call. Oh, God bless you. Yeah, man, we bought a studio on fire earlier. So right about now, we are cheering on the vibe just a little bit. You don't know, say it's all about giving thanks and praise to the Almighty because they make all things possible. See? You don't do nothing without putting God in it. So right now it's a juggle 1 and 2 for the Almighty. As a move. Out to the late great Garnet City. Take off! As you take my hands on the wheels, from whence cometh my help? My help cometh from Jah, who was made, trying in the earth. Oh gosh, give us strength. Mighty Jah, give us strength. To carry on, give us strength. Mighty Jah, give us strength. And no harder. Children are working harder, day and night, striving to survive. Striving to survive. Listen, lots of things to take care of. You know the going around all alone, and the fool's not enough. Lord, my king can fill a little girl. That's what I say. Mighty Georgia, give us strength to carry on. Give us strength. Mighty Georgia, give us strength.
From the streets of Jamaica, coming live and direct. Totally giddy, and we no need no mic check. Stepping on the place, some of that disrespect. No someone they get to need some more we try, so them a make. Lordy, Lordy, now join no party. Look what the politician them do to Claudy. Look what the politician them do to him. Him son resurrect it and look what them do to him. Cause they will use and dispose of you, those who are close to you. If you choose to tread the road, you know. So brother, if you are tonight, carry the scars of a coffee. I carry the fire of a bell, Jesse. Take when your mind get a chance, represent. Cause you might have no past in present. So, not take them last of your past and present. So, want make it fast so them la protege. So we go back to the ancient ways, untold secrets that remained unchanged. Mentally get unchained.
Conscious music right about now. Conscious vibe.
Got to stay true to the things you know are right. Nothing worth the gain you attain by blood and blood. Rather keep your goals inside. Even in the darkest night. Have faith in the Father, the one who shines your light.
What's that know?
I play by myself all the time, and I play the taste.
Voice all courtesy of the late great Deep Brown.
This world mine. I play by myself all the time, and I play the taste. I play it all the while. Maybe not by my dumb style, maybe in a different style. I play it taste. I play it all the while. This world. destroyed. They don't know why. Well, yeah.
When them say one deep bro deserves another. Here they go. Yeah, he's a skunk on the mountain.
If this world were mine, at your feet would I place all down. I'd give it all to you. If this world were mine, at your feet would I place all down. I'd give it all to you. If this world were mine. If this world were only mine,
Very first time when I saw you brown eyes, your lips had held and I said hi. I knew right there you were the one. But I was caught up in physical attraction.
Broken-hearted sound boy, toiling in the dark and soul. A disappointed sound boy who has no double plates at all.